The 10 Degrees indoor navigation application, Converge, provides meter-level location accuracy in indoor environments where GPS signals cannot be received. The Converge application leverages Blender, our industry-leading sensor fusion algorithm package, the Vicinity engine, which brings location awareness for map features and points of interest, Unity Service, our multi-user system that allows for following friends and colleagues in real time, and our Sender plugin, which supports cloud-based location and motion analytics. Converge is available for all current generation iPhones and iPads, as well as for the most popular Android devices, including the Nexus 5, the Samsung Galaxy S5, the Note 4, and the HTC One. More devices are being added every day. In order to track user motion and changes in location, Converge uses the package of motion sensors that are available on almost every modern smartphone. Converge is able to obtain an initial location fix, as well as to periodically recalibrate its sensor fusion algorithms by tracking radio signals in space, either from low-cost Bluetooth beacons, such as this one, or by tracking Wi-Fi access points in a known database. The Converge application allows for the display of key points of interest on a map, which can be filtered based on type according to the current interests of the user. In this example, we filter down to only a subset of the total points of interest available on a map and allow the user to select one of particular interest for which routing guidance will be provided. If, alternatively, a user seeks a point of interest whose location is not readily apparent on the map, you can also select guidance for that location from the pull-down filtered list of points of interest. Guidance cues to the desired location are then provided directly on a map, which can be followed by a user and update periodically as he moves through the building. The accuracy of the location information from Converge also allows for the presentation of location-based content tied to specific areas in a building or facility. Even when no specific destination is defined by the user, location itself can be used to trigger events that provide the user with useful information. As an additional feature, this same rich content can be added to individual points of interest to allow a user to learn more about a destination or a point of interest before deciding if that's the location that they seek. Photographs, advertisements, resource schedules, or other location-relevant information can be provided either in advance of a user arriving at his destination or using the location triggering presented previously. We made it to the office, but it appears unoccupied. There he is. These features naturally extend to retail environments where dozens, if not hundreds, of individual points of interest and product facings will be made available to the user. The ability of a user to pull up information on individual products, as well as to provide routing and guidance information to each of those locations, is invaluable in environments for retail, manufacturing, warehousing, and office space. The same location-triggered events capability can be used in a retail environment to provide shoppers or staff with an indication of when they've reached a certain region, either to get shopper attention or to provide staff information on how they might help individual shoppers. Further options for more information or path guidance can then be offered up to the user. Back in the office environment, it may not be places, but rather specific people that one is searching for. The 10 Degrees Unity service allows users to create a network of their friends and colleagues and to see location information on these individuals provided with real-time updates. After contacts that I find using the search feature in Converge accept the invitations that I send, their locations show up on my map. From there, I can track individual users, or I can route to them the same as I would a location point of interest, the difference being that user locations will be updated dynamically through the Unity service. In this example, I used the Context submenu to select a route to one of my associates whose location is known thanks to real-time updates through the Unity service. Hi, Steve. When the locations of multiple contacts are shown on the screen, I can still navigate to their locations using the more conventional approach of selecting the point of interest closest to their location and showing their route. In this case, I forego the route and I walk through the building to see the location of my other contact, Alex. And there he is. It's easy to see how this would extend to much larger facilities with more individuals. The dynamic nature of modern office, retail, industrial, or even social environments requires that indoor location accuracy be very precise and be provided to other users with low latency so that what you see lines up with the information being given to you through the application. The 10 Degrees Unity service provides these real-time updates while ensuring privacy by limiting location information being reported up to the server to your approved friends and contacts lists. The accurate correspondence between what you see on the screen and what you see in the real world around you is maintained by 10 Degrees' industry-leading navigation engine. Thank you very much for watching this overview of the key features of the Converge indoor navigation engine. For more information, visit 10degrees.net.